Why do some YouTubers get paid substantially more than other YouTubers? What is the secret? That's what you're gonna find out in this video. But before we start, go to that grey thing and absolutely smash it like never before until it turns blue, because YouTube algorithm really loves it when you do that. And don't forget to subscribe, comment and hit the notification bell button so you guys can get the videos as I upload them. As an entrepreneur who likes to try out new ideas and new challenges, especially when they have to do with making money, I started toying with the idea of making money with YouTube. Why not? So I started doing some research and some digging, and I uncovered some truths that will absolutely shock you. They will blow your mind. And I know that there are some skeptics out there that say, hey, listen, you're not going to make any money from the internet. This doesn't exist. You know, do a 9-to-5 job. And when it comes to YouTube, a lot of people have absolutely no idea how much YouTubers make. And if they do, they have the wrong idea or they're completely misinformed. YouTube is one of the many ways that you can become an internet sensation. In reality, there are numerous success stories of YouTubers who have made crazy amounts of money. Being a YouTuber has become an aspiration for many kids around the world. Now you ask a young kid in America and you say, what do you want to become in the future? A lot of them will say, I want to become a YouTuber. Long gone are the days where they'd say, I want to become a pilot or a doctor or a teacher, because let's face it, they don't earn that much. A lot of YouTubers try and fail. A lot of them don't earn any money, or if they do, they earn very little, not enough to survive on. And that's because they have not mastered the algorithm yet. And if you're a small YouTuber, hopefully this video will unravel some things that will completely change your YouTube game, hopefully to the better. But on the other hand, you'll find a small elite group of YouTubers who make an extraordinary amount of money. That's from ads only, not to mention other streams of income, which we'll discuss later on. But make no mistake, this is achieved through consistency, hard work, quality of content, a lot of the time creator personality, and sometimes through luck. If you surf the internet, you'll find many articles and videos claiming that they know how much creators make, but they don't offer any detail. A lot of the time the information is inaccurate and they don't tell you how they do it. So hopefully you'll walk out of this video with some useful information and some actionable tips and tricks that you can use today to make more money on YouTube. But like I said, I've done some research and I'm gonna share with you the details, but more importantly, the secrets that I've uncovered that a lot of YouTubers will not tell you. Almost all YouTubers make money from what's called AdSense. It's the ads that you see at the start, during and at the end of YouTube videos. But to start making money from YouTube, your channel needs to be monetized. And for it to be monetized, you need to have at least 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. Then once you meet these requirements, your channel is then submitted to YouTube to determine whether it's a good fit for advertising, whether it's family friendly, advertiser friendly or not. And as YouTubers get accepted, at this point they start rubbing their hands thinking they're gonna make so much money, so much of that moolah. But hold your horses, there are so many things that you need to be careful of so that you don't run into trouble with YouTube and Google AdSense, and to maximize your earning potential. For example, if you do anything questionable like profanity or mature content, then ads might not show up on your videos, or advertisers might pay less because they are deemed less desirable. Also, using copyrighted material such as copyrighted songs or clips from other YouTube videos that you can use on your A-roll or B-roll, or if you're doing reactions on them. Whilst they may be fair use, the copyright holder can actually claim a portion of your ad revenue, so please be aware of these things. So the way Google AdSense works is you make the videos, you upload them, advertisers put ads on your videos, advertisers pay YouTube directly, and you share ad revenue. Ad revenue is then split. YouTube keeps 45% and the creator gets 55%. So for every $100 an advertiser pays, YouTube keeps $45 and you get $55. And obviously, because not all views are converted to ad views, so say in 1,000 views you might get 150 ad views, and in the end you might get $3 to $5 for every 1,000 views, not ad views. This can be substantially higher or lower depending on various variables, which I'm gonna share with you later. So to answer the question of how much YouTubers make, a YouTuber called Shelby Church has actually asked all of her audience on Instagram and other social media, and you guessed it, they had absolutely no idea, no clue. Now let's see how much Shelby Church earned on a video that got her 1 million views. So as you could see, 1 million views on a video where she's talking about an iPhone charger got her her $1,500. And on this video where she talks about 5 ways to make money on the internet, 1 million views got her $5,000, substantially more money. A shopping video got her only $600 for 1 million views, and a life hacks video got her $2,500. So as you can see, it all pretty much varies based on the topic. And to make this more clear for you guys, I found this video of Shelby Church and Kevin David comparing both their ad revenue, and it is shocking how different it is, and I let you guys be the judge, bearing in mind that Kevin David focuses more on the business side, so things like Shopify, Facebook ads, ClickFunnels, etc., whereas her channel is a bit more like a general channel. And as you can see, for 27,000 views in the last 28 days, this video got him $1,800. That's a whopping $66 per 1,000 views. That's an incredible CPM. Now let's look at the lifetime of this video. This video reached 1 million views and it got $43,000. That's $43 per 1,000 views. Just amazing. You could practically buy a Tesla with that. And at this point, Shelby Church is literally gobsmacked. Her best video so far has got around about $10 CPM, but nowhere near $66. And Kevin goes on to show her another video which got him 1,800,000 views. So it's apparent that this is something that you can repeat. You just need to know what you're doing. This is one example. Now let me show you one other example so you know what I mean. Now these figures are from Graham Stephen, who's really well known in the personal finance, business and real estate niche. This shows that he got 7,700,000 views in the month of December 2019 and made from it $129,000, an insane amount of money to make from YouTube. That's a CPM of $60 for every 1,000 views. Mind blowing. Now if we were to compare it with this video from the fitness industry, which got 15 million views from Matt Does Fitness, it got double the views but only made him $33,000. And here Danlock shows 3 videos that got him 1 million views each. And guess what? One of them got him 1,000, the second got him 3,000, and the third got him 7,000. So it's clear as day that it very much depends on which topic you're talking about, which niche you're in. Now for us to understand why some videos earn substantially more than others, and even why some videos that have a low amount of views get significantly more money on their ad views compared to viral videos that get millions and millions of views, we need to understand how CPM works. So what is CPM? CPM is cost per milli. CPM is a funny thing. It's hard to understand because it depends on so many variables, but I'm gonna try and break it down. It depends on variables like which niche you're in, the age of your audience, how desirable your audience is, where you are in the world, your geographical location, the time of the year, length of the video, how many ads did you put during your video, mid-roll ads, because if your video is less than 10 minutes, you cannot put ads during the video, but if it is over 10 minutes, then you can put ads during the video. Other factors are watch time, how many views did that video get, because typically the more views that video gets, the higher CPM goes, and generally how successful that video is. Is your content family friendly? Did you use any swear words? Does it have any mature content? So many factors. For example, a generic YouTube channel that doesn't have any profanity, doesn't focus on any particular niche, family friendly, it can earn around $3 per 1,000 views. A car channel can earn a little bit higher, around $5 per 1,000 views. A beauty channel, a little bit more as well, around $7 per 1,000 views. Business, investing and real estate channels can earn a whopping $15 to $30 and even substantially higher per 1,000 views, depending on the subject matter. So if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel to make money from it, then I'd suggest you really think hard on what type of niche you want to go into. And remember this, treat your channel like a business and you'll be surprised how much money you'll make. And if you're a current YouTuber not making much money and you want to improve that, then try and make videos around high paying niche just to test it out, and if it works, maybe switch completely to that niche. Now, does the number of subscribers matter? Well, yes and no. No, because YouTube doesn't pay you directly for how many subscribers you have. But if you have more subscribers, more people are likely to click on your video, and the more chance you have that that view will convert into an ad view. And like I showed you, it also depends on the quality of the view. Who's your audience? Is it generic or is it a business related audience? Where are you getting your views from? Are you getting them from the US or are you getting them from places like India or the Philippines? Because advertisers will pay a lot higher for ads in the US than they would pay in India or the Philippines, for instance. And that's why we see channels earn a lot higher on AdSense because they have the right views, so their views come from the right audience, from the right geographical location, from the right niche, compared to your average family-friendly channel like a vlogging channel, for example, that has a really high number of subscribers and high views. YouTubers that are business savvy, they don't just rely on one source of income to make money, for example AdSense. No, they transform their YouTube channel to a business. They start earning from different income sources like affiliate marketing. They sell their own merch, they sell their product or service, they sell education products like their own courses, they do brand deals or sponsorships. When they do live shows, they can earn from super chats, they can earn from Patreon, they can earn money via streaming to Twitch or Nemo app, and plenty of other ways of making money which we're not going to be able to tackle in this video. But if you want me to talk about it in more detail, then I'm happy to do so. Just drop me a comment down below, and if there's enough demand, I'm more than happy to make a video about this topic. Now, whilst YouTube is a desirable way of making money and building a real business, many people underestimate the costs associated with starting and running a successful YouTube channel. A lot of people, especially uninformed people, think that it's very easy to start a YouTube channel. It's a walk in the park. It's like you turn the camera, you start filming, and that's it, you upload to YouTube, and you can do it in a couple of hours. Nothing could be further from the truth. Being a YouTuber is so time consuming if you're doing it correctly. So for example, what I do, I start by researching the topic idea. I validate it, then I research the topic itself that I've decided to make a video on, and write the script or bullet points if you're gonna wing it and talk on the fly. Then film it, then edit it, then color grade it. You make the thumbnail, then upload the video, research the keywords for that video, then write the description and tags, then market it, and there's plenty more that you can do. This whole process could take between 3 days to 7 days depending on how complex that video is, and also depending on the topic. Is it something that you can film in one take, or is it something that you have to go through? It's a process, like a documentary, or if you're filming a process of doing something, and how much filming and research is required for that video. Not to mention the amount of money that the YouTuber has to invest in camera gear, lighting gear, software, subscriptions that they have to buy, etc. And in the end, what they can earn is really not up to them. It's up to how well the videos do. And especially it's hard in the beginning because you're not making any money, and you have to believe that you're going to be making money one day to keep yourself motivated. But what I found helps me is the fact that I enjoy making videos, so I keep making them. That's why you hear a lot of YouTubers complaining that they're not earning enough, that they are below the poverty line, that they can earn a lot more money working for McDonald's or somewhere that pays them just minimum wage. And if you're a vlogger, you have to travel somewhere. Who pays for that? You pay it from your own pocket. If you have to hire someone to film you, you have to pay them. If you don't know how to edit or how to make thumbnails, you have to pay someone to do it. So plenty of costs associated with that. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and before you go, make sure you like the video, subscribe, hit the notification button, and share with your friends on social media so that they can benefit just like you. See you in the next video. Peace!